In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Europe server in Mobile Legends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can manage the servers available in Mobile Legends. I'm going to teach you how to manage the server that you are queuing in so you can get better ping, and I'm going to be talking about how to change the actual region that your account or character is on. So by switching regions, you can access different characters. So first, if you simply want to queue or use matchmaking within Europe, all that you have to do is go over to any mode, and before queuing, you will see the option at the top right. So if you tap this globe icon, you can freely switch between the matchmaking servers. So for example, if you want to queue in the North American servers, choose the option here. If you want to queue in the Europe servers, choose the option here, and so on. This is going to be primarily useful if you believe that you can get better ping, aka a better connection to one of the other servers available here. You will see the MS displayed at the right side of the server. The lower the MS or the latency, the better. Now, if you want to change the region for your actual accounts, what you have to do is go to your profile. So tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring you to your profile, and then you can choose account at the bottom. Once you choose the account category, all the way to the right, you will see switch server. So tap this button and you will see the characters list. Now, if you have a character on a different server, aka the Europe server, it will be available here, and you can freely switch between these characters. Once you are done, you do the same thing. So you go to the account page, choose switch server, and then you switch back into the original character. Regardless how you choose to approach this, you will be able to go to the character list and switch between the available servers. And if you have a character on an European server, it will appear here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Europe server in Mobile Legends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.